Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to program Dodge Charger Garage Door Opener. Begin by parking close to the door with the car in accessory mode and have your remote ready. Find the opener's Learn button on the ceiling unit and open the charger's home link or built-in remote panel. Press the vehicle button to prepare it, then press the opener's Learn button and follow the 3-step pairing sequence until the lights blink and the door responds. Start by holding the Home Link button inside your Dodge Charger until the indicator light flashes slowly, which signals ready mode. Walk to the garage opener, press its Learn button briefly, and return to the car within the permitted 30 seconds. Back in the vehicle, press the Home Link button repeatedly until the door activates. This confirms pairing. If rolling code systems are used, you may need to complete an additional step to sync the remote and opener. If the charger won't program on the first try, clear the Home Link memory and attempt the sequence again from scratch. Check remote batteries and verify the garage opener has power and a visible antenna for signal reception. For rolling code openers, follow the specific sync steps on the opener label, which often require pressing Learn and then the vehicle button twice. Take it slow and test after each step to identify where the process fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.